Hi there, Andy Staines from Henschel Electrical here. Just finished up a first fix and I was going to walk through what we've done here and try and explain why we've done what we've done. So let's have a little look. So the properties it's a detached garage but with an annex. So we've got kitchen, diner just here, got a small shower room. And then we've got a mezzanine bedroom, which will all be accessed by our spiral staircase, sort of coming up in that area there. So let's just take you through basics. So we've used open conduit to contain our cables to our boxes, chased in just a touch, got 10mm chase to allow for. These are 35mm boxes, so we've got 25mm dot and dab finish on the wall. All of our wiring is fixed in place. Construction is these girder type joists with the open centres, cables running through, so that saves quite a bit of time on drilling. Fixed in place with cradles and cable ties. Nice quick approach. Two routes there, one for data, one for power. There's flexible conduit there, which is protecting our cables where it passes through the cavity for outside lights. And here we've got an alarm PIR cable in the corner. Nice little note for the plasterers there. Hopefully we won't have any issues, be brought out correctly. And you can see some all-round band, which we've used to provide restraint for the cables, prevent premature collapse in the event of a fire. As these cables aren't supported by the timbers, they run straight across. TV position just here. So we've got a double data point on the left, twin socket on the right, and a twin socket below. Got a light switch, a bit dimmer, so we've made it 47mm deep just to handle the depth of the dimmer modules. Next to that, we've got position for a room step. So all cables nicely tucked away. Everything is labelled to the max. We've got no confusion. If all the conduits fixed in place with clamp nails to make sure they don't move during the dot and dab. So we're having downlights in the ceiling. As you can see, they've all been wired, left coiled, marked the positions on a plan. And you can see again, we've got some metallic clips to supplement the PVC clips. Again, provide that protection against premature collapse in the event of a fire. Smoke detector brought through a noggin to ensure that we've got something to fix to and that it gets brought through, doesn't get left up in the ceiling again. A little note for the plasterers, for the tackers, to make sure, hopefully we'll end up with the cable in the right place. So roller door will be covering this opening. So we've got a high level socket. Below we've got a light switch, two-way to the other side of the room. Next to that we've got this is the keypad. Fake cable for the keypad for the alarm system. Again, we've kind of belt and braces there to make sure it comes out at the right height. I don't think there's any doubt at where that needs to come out. This is our mains drop. Okay, so there's all our wiring that can drop down for our mains position. The board will be mounted on this stud wheel here. Cables drop down into some 4-inch trunking in the corner. We'll have a consumer's control unit, but underneath that or above, whichever we end up doing, we'll also have a lighting control panel for our exterior lighting. Just allows us to sort of go for lots of different options of exterior lighting, potentially include smart controls at a later date if required. So we've got a couple of ducts here. Sub-main from the main house will come through. Also data will be coming through one of those. And talking of data, there's a drop in the corner there, tucked right out of the way. Some 32mm flexi conduit, which is bringing all of our Cat 5e cables, plus a kind of a spare alarm cable, just in case. Yeah, so just be sort of kind of cautious on this. Kitchen area, twin socket, the sink will be in the centre there, another twin socket, and then the cable drops down the bottom, which we can run in the kick space into the sink to provide plug-in points for appliances. Another 47mm KO box for our main light switch, which will obviously include dimmers again. Second keypad, this is for a pedestrian entrance to the garage. I'm going to make sure we've got a point to manage the alarm from either one. And another alarm PIR up in the top corner there. Finally, we have the shower room. Box is all fixed to noggins, so we fit the noggins ourselves, making sure that we've got the correct amount sticking out, and that allows for a 12mm board, and will hopefully make the job nice and easy for the tackers to get their boards in place nicely. Now we're fixing TVs here, so I'm going to have to ask the builder to fix some plywood in between our noggins here. I've also made sure I've taken photographs so that we know where the pipes are. Don't want to have any accidents and it comes to that. Okay, so we've got our outside light switch here, also two-way control for our spotlights. In this area again you can see the metallic fixings to provide that support, in addition to the cradles. All of the lights are marked on plan, so we know we're not going to have any issues when it comes to our second fix. Fan already called out, cables in the hole, ready to be brought into the fan enclosure. Okay, then we've got some drops, conduit drops for our alarm panel position. Some spots in here. Yeah. And that pretty much finishes it up. Again, PIR, a couple of notes there, just to explain plasterers, what needs to be done. We don't need metallic fixings here because the cable passes through the girders, therefore having a support. And I'll go upstairs now, show you through that.